So the story of Cavalleria Rusticana goes something like this. A Sicilian village on Easter Day. Turiddù, a young peasant, is in love with Lola. Now she is toying with his affections. Turiddù returns from military service to find Lola has married Alfio. Intending to make Lola jealous, Turiddù proceeds to seduce Santuzza, who falls hopelessly in love with him. Now Lola is furious that Turiddù should love anyone but her, and proceeds to entice him to visit her house while her husband, Alfio, is away. Santuzza discovers she is pregnant and is outraged to learn of Turiddù's infidelity with Lola. She pleads with him to return to her, but Turiddù is dismissive of her, enraged and humiliated by the scandal, and seeking revenge. Santuzza informs Alfio that Turiddù is having an affair with his wife, Lola. Alfio is outraged and seeks Turiddù, who is drinking in the village square after church, and challenges him to a duel. Turiddù accepts, using the rural custom of first embracing Alfio and then biting his ear. This means the duel is to the death. With a sense of foreboding, Turiddù bids a tragic and sorrowful goodbye to his mother. He then leaves with Alfio for the duel, after which the people learn Turiddù is dead. Well, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe so that others can see it. Click here for some more videos you may be interested in.